and do a home inspection.
With the Zika threat closing in on the U.S.,
this is a great example here.
the Rio community on Florida's Treasure Coast is well prepared.
You want to dump, keep it dry. Mosquitoes love to breed in these.
Mosquito control workers inspect trouble spots known for breeding the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which can carry the Zika virus.
So right in here, these fill up with water. You're looking at Aedes aegypti larvae.
The small community isn't taking any chances after what happened in 2013 when it was hit hard with another mosquito-borne disease, dengue fever.
And he took my temperature and I had 104.8 fever.
Rachel Hyde was one of 28 people who got sick. Several were hospitalized.
I started itching and then I got patchy rash, all within an hour.
Despite operating with a fraction of the budget of neighboring mosquito control districts, workers in Martin County were able to quickly contain the outbreak.
Are you all more prepared now because of the dengue outbreak a few years ago?
Absolutely.
Don Donaldson, who oversees mosquito control in Martin County, says now with the threat of Zika, they've increased neighborhood inspections.
Well, Aedes aegypti is the public enemy #1 right now.
Very light vacuum, but enough to suck them up.
Workers monitor trouble spots more frequently using mosquito traps.
And we zip it shut so they don't come out, obviously.
They are also working closely with other agencies, including the county health department.
Routine coordination with them, even in the absence of a disease, is necessary so that we remain prepared.
This is really good here.
More importantly, there is an apparent priority for residents here to clear standing water.
Having lived through the dengue outbreak of a couple years ago, we definitely don't want Zika to turn into something like that.
The water that's sitting in here, no mosquitoes can breed in.
Hyde says since she got sick, she pays more attention to her property and tells us the community is much safer now because her neighbors are proactive.
A couple years ago, if we were standing out here, it would have been really bad, but now it's not as bad because you can't have standing water, and I think people are just really, really aware of that.
Lessons learned here may serve as a teaching moment for other communities at risk of mosquito-spreading disease. Joshua Plogel, The Associated Press, Rio, Florida.